welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry I could not upload a video on Friday, but it is Tuesday today. Actually, today is Tuesday. I woke up early and I'm just trying to film this today because I wanted to get a video up. I wanted to film something last night, but I started watching a show and I scared myself so much that I couldn't like sit down here and film in the night. The thing was that a lot of you guys want to see me using affordable products, so I recently made an order for some affordable products that I've not tried before, products that a lot of people have loved but I haven't tried. So I actually wanted to film the Diwali makeup tutorial with affordable products, but I haven't received all of them. So I just thought I'll do a Diwali makeup tutorial with high-end products. I actually wanted to make two different videos with high-end and affordable, but I don't think that time's going to be enough because it's Diwali day after tomorrow and it's my birthday on the 4th. So I thought I will create a birthday makeup video with affordable products. So yeah, here I am. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a very easy smoky eyeliner look with the new Natasha Denona retro palette. I recently bought this. I actually got this from Nashua Beauty, but soon after I bought this, it actually released on Sephora India, and this is right now available for 15% off on Sephora's now. So do go check it out. I will leave a link down below. This is what the palette looks like. I think in my previous video also, where I spoke about how Natasha Denona has launched in India, I spoke about all the palettes that are available and I showed you all the shades. So this is what the palette looks like. I think it's pretty gorgeous. So I'm going to be creating a very easy smoky eyeliner look for you guys today that you can wear for Diwali. And yeah, let's just get started. I've already prepped my face. I have my moisturizer, my hyaluronic acid, my moisturizer, my aloe vera gel, as well as my sunscreen. But I'm going to be adding the MAC Prep and Prime. This is the MAC Fix Plus Prep and Prime. Just going to take some on my hand and then just going to add that here just to hydrate my skin a little bit. Color correct first. I'm going to use the Live Tinted Hue Stick in the shade Found. Foundation today, I'm going to be using the PatMcGrath foundation. I think I used this in my previous video as well. I have it in the shade 23, I think. Yeah, it's medium deep 23. I found a very nice way of applying this, so I just don't go and dot it all over. Just took some at the back of my hand. Now with the brush, I'm just going to start dotting it everywhere. And although it's so runny, I feel like the coverage is really nice. Just some on my nose, some on my forehead. I really like this brush. This is the full coverage foundation brush from Smashbox. You guys know how much I love the brushes from Smashbox, and the rest I'm just going to apply it on my neck and then just start to dab it in. Now for concealer, I'm going to be using the PatMcGrath concealer as well. This I have in the shade medium 19, and I'm just going to take some the corner of my eyes. I'm going to go in with my Smashbox concealer brush. Now I'm just going to dab here and not blend it out because I need some coverage. I have some dark circles which I want to cover, so I'm gonna just keep dabbing it in until I have a seamless blend. I wanted to add some brightness here because it is the festive season and you want to look nice and bright, so which is why I took my concealer a little bit below. Now I'm just gonna again start just dabbing it here. previous. This is one of my favorite hacks I mentioned in one of my previous videos as well. So I just go back in with my foundation brush and just try to blend everything in so that we don't have any harsh edges. For powder, I'm going to be using my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. I absolutely love this powder. You guys know how much I love it. If you can get your hands on it, it is available on Nykaa. And I think right now they have some really good offers for Diwali. You should definitely check them out. Now I'm going to use my contour stick from Fenty. This is the Fenty Beauty MatchStix in the shade Truffle. I'm going to go back in with my foundation brush and start blending this upwards. The reason I'm using a foundation brush is because you'll get a very seamless blend and you won't have harsh edges. But the next time you use this brush for your foundation, make sure you clean it, and because it's going to have the pigment of the contour. Okay, now I'm just going to let the face set for some time. I'm going to finish my eyes and then come back to my face. Brows, I'm going to be using this angled brush with a spoolie from Morphe. I'm just going to brush out my brows. I'm just going to grab this shade from the Dior palette. I'm going to start carving out my brows. I generally would not do this step, but since I have like overgrown eyebrows, I'm just going to add some concealer and just try to carve them out. So yeah, that's the brows all nice and defined. I'm going to start off with the eye makeup. I'm going to be using my Charlotte Tilbury eyeliner. This is in the shade Walk of No Shame. I've actually swatched it here. This is what the shade looks like. And I'm just going to start by adding a wing on my lash line. And now I'm going to take a flat brush like this so that it's easier to smudge it out. This is my Refer 28 brush, and now I'm going to go in with this shade which is called Rebellion and just start to blend, just start to coat that eyeliner that we did. Take another flat brush. This is a bit more diffused brush. This is the Refer 02 brush. I'm going to take a lighter shade, something like this, and just try to diffuse this, whatever we created, and just going to use this shade and just add it as a transition shade all over my eyelid. Now I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm just going to take this shade and just going to intensify the edges a little bit. So I'm going to go in with a fluffier brush and diffuse these edges. With my blending brush, I'm just going to blend all of that. Okay, now that we've smoked all of that out, now with a flat brush, this is the Pro Cream Shadow Brush, I'm just going to add this shade all over my eyelid. Now I'm gonna add this shade with the same brush from as an inner corner highlight, but I'm gonna take it to the center of the lid and just blend it into the middle shade that we added. Just blend all of the edges out. I'm going to take some of this. I'm just going to tap off the excess and I'm just going to start. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to be going back in with my Walk of No Shame eye pencil, and I'm just going to start by lining my waterline. Go in with this flat shader brush from Morphe. Try to blend out that eyeliner. Smaller blending brush, and I'm just going to use this color and just start to diffuse this. Just gonna add some of that glitter on my inner corner over here as well. So that's the eyes all done. Now for mascara, I'm going to be using my Legendary Lashes from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm also going to top this off with my Huda Beauty mascara as well. So that's the mascara all done. Now we'll just get back to the face. Actually, it's been a while since I used my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, or has it? I want to give you a tip: don't swirl your brush on your bronzer because that's going to just mess it up. Just tap it, and that's all the product that you need. That's it. And tap off the excess. Now I'm just going to coat that contour with my bronzer. Before I move on to the blush, I do want to highlight my face a little bit. Taking a diffusing eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going in with my powder, and I'm just going to add this in the inner corners because we did a lot of work, and I'm also going to add it on my nose because that's going to make it look nice and chiseled. Some more and add that right here. Now for blush, I'm going to be using my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. This is in the shade Act Like That, and just start to blend it into my eyeshadow. My highlighter brush and just try to the lips. I'm going to be using my most trusted Huda Beauty lip contour in the shade Famous. different lipsticks. I'm going to be using these two from Charlotte Tilbury. I have these two in So 90s as well as Walk of No Shame. I'm just going to add this on the sides and then top it off with the other shade. That's the lips all done. I don't know if you can see the ombre look, the ombre finish, but I did try to add a lighter color, and I think in reality it looks pretty ombre to me. Looks like from dark to lighter. I'm not sure if it's translating on camera, but I really like it. Now I'm just going to finish this look with the Fenty Beauty What It Do Mist. So yeah, that's the finished look, you guys. I really enjoyed creating this look. I'm just gonna pop some jewelry and be back. So yeah, that's the finished look, you guys. If you like my sari, I know you can't see it right now, but if you like my sari, this is by a friend who started a brand. I will tag their Instagram down below. And I was really inspired by the sari as well as the palette that we used today, the Natasha Denona retro palette. If you can see, the sari is a nice pista green, and I picked up these jewelry pieces and I felt like that would really go well with it. I wanted to create a turquoise look, but then I thought it would be too overwhelming, which is when I thought of this piping right here, the pink piping, and I thought this makeup look would really go well with it. I wish I had a nice pink, blush blouse to go with this, but I don't at the moment, so I just pair it with this tank top. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up. The Natasha Denona retro palette is right now on a discount on the Sephora India site. Of course, this is not sponsored because I didn't even know that they were going to be launching on Sephora. But yeah, help me grow, and I hope I can in the future collaborate with brands that I love. And yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you guys do try this look for Diwali or for any other events that you have. Do let me know how it turns out. And yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in another video pretty soon. Bye.